Tonight is another stir-fry recipe. I'm Tess, and I will show you how to make my ginger chicken stir-fry. The chicken is so tender with a bright Asian ginger papa flavor. Stay tuned. If you check out my Asian recipe playlist, you will see several recipes where I cook and prepare the chicken using a velveting technique. This makes the chicken really tender and gives the outside a nice velvety texture. The velvet chicken is classic in making mugu gai pan, and I will leave a link for that recipe here and also in the description box below. I have a double breast boneless chicken breast that I cut and sliced into 1 to 1.5 inch pieces. I'm making a good bit of chicken for this stir fry, but you can cut the recipe in half if you wish. In a bowl along with the chicken, I added 1/4 teaspoon of salt and white pepper, 2 large egg whites, and about 4 to 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, giving that a good mix, covering and setting to the side for about 10 minutes. I'm cooking the chicken in 2 to 3 batches so not to overcrowd the pan. I have my pot of water almost to a boil and I'm adding in the chicken pieces. They will fall to the bottom. After you have the chicken in the water, give them a gentle stir. They will take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook depending on the size. A key when the chicken is done is that they will float to the top. Let's make the sauce. These ingredients are readily available in most markets. I'm starting with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, and this is like a Chinese barbecue sauce, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine, or you can use rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey or brown sugar, and I almost forgot, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, giving that a good mix and setting to the side. I have all my vegetables prepped and we are ready to cook. I have my wok on medium-high heat, and I added enough oil to coat the bottom and the sides. This is 1 carrot that I cut into matchsticks or julienne, 1 celery stalk, and the whites of 3 garden onions. Cooking and stirring for 3 to 4 minutes or until the veggies start to cook down. Adding in the star of the show, which is about 2 good tablespoons of matchstick fresh ginger and 4 cloves of minced garlic. Cooking and stirring for another 1 to 2 minutes. This smells amazing. Now I'm adding all the chicken back into the wok and pouring over the sauce. Cooking and tossing for a couple minutes or until the chicken is heated through. Right before serving, I'm adding in the greens of the onions and giving 1 final toss. The chicken is so tender and soft. The sauce is a pop of brightness with the ginger. Great Asian flavors. The carrots and celery add a nice crunch, and you can use the vegetables that you like. Serving tonight with some steamed jasmine rice. I hope you give this ginger chicken stir-fry a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!